Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Tecno Spark Go 2022, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So, firstly, just remember one rule. To work your phone properly, you need to have free storage and free RAM. So, first rule, never fill up your storage, your internal storage, over than 70% of full. In this way, your smartphone will always in good condition. But the second rule is to always free up the RAM storage. For example, if you open one application, then close it, then for example open the second application, these apps will be opened in your RAM. So you will need to clean RAM storage from time to time. So just open the recently opened apps and click on throw bin. In this way you will close all apps in RAM in the background. Great. And the third aspect that can slow down your device is harmful files. It's junk files on your device. To clear it, you need to open cleaner application. So as you can see here, we have phone master. So sorry. Just open phone master. Phone master is pre-installed app on your device, and using this application you can clean junk files completely for free without ads. So just open phone master, click junk files, and scroll down and clean. Then click settings. Now we need to permit access to the phone master application. So find your phone master, permit access, go back, wait a while, and as you can see I have now new device without any other application. I have on the pre-installed application right now, and as you can see now, even in my situation, I have 55 megabytes of trash files. So if you will use your device, for example, during the week, you will be able to clean 1 or 2 gigabytes. You will be able to clean several gigabytes of junk files, and you need to do it from time to time. I suggest you clean junk files once a week, and in this way you will have your device in good condition. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.